Come to the top of your mat. Feet will be hip distance apart. Bring the hands out to the side, palms facing forward, and then hands to heart chest in prayer pose. Bend the knees, keeping the back flat. Touch the ground. Coming into a forward fold. We're going to walk the knees back and forth, remembering to breathe. Take a deeper bend in the knees and step each foot back. Drop the knees to the ground. Then bring the chest down, and then ever so slightly push through the hands. Then bring the seat back and rest on your shins into child's pose. Breathing into your back. Bring the head up and onto all fours. Bring the toes under and the seat back and press the seat towards the sky, pressing through the hands, dropping the shoulder blades down the back. Keeping a bend in the knees, walk the knees back and forth to activate the hamstrings. Step the right foot in between the hands. Turn the back foot out so that it's at a 90-degree angle. Bend into your right knee and then swing your left arm overhead and right arm comes up, stretching out, making sure the knee stays over top of the ankle. Remember to breathe, keeping strong in your breath, engaging the core. Press the right arm on the right knee and bring the left palm overhead. Bring both hands back down to the ground. Straighten the back foot. Straightening the right leg. Inhale up and exhale forehead to knee. Bend the right knee and step the left foot forward. Knees bent, hands overhead, and palms come together to the heart center. Ensuring that your feet are hip distance apart, bend in the knees again, coming into a forward fold, keeping a flat back. Inhale up, exhale down. Bending in the knees, walking them back and forth. Bending the knees and stepping the left leg and the right leg back. Dropping the knees to the ground, chest to the ground. Pressing slightly up through the arms, dropping back down, and coming back into a child's pose. Toes curl under, pressing the seat up towards the sky, coming into our down dog. Walking the knees back and forth. Bring the left foot in between the hands, turning the back right foot out at a 90-degree angle. The right arm swings overhead as the left arm stretches out forward, keeping a straight long line. The left knee is stacked over top of the ankle. Drop the left elbow down, and the right arm comes overhead. Stretching long, dropping both arms down to the ground and bring the back foot straight. Extending the left leg long and straight, feeling a nice stretch in our hamstring. It's okay if you have to bend your knees a little bit. Step the left leg back and press through the arms into your down dog. Walk the knees back and forth and wiggle the hips a little bit and feel a little looseness. Dropping the knees to the ground. You're going to do some cat cows. Inhale and let the belly drop low. And exhale, rounding the back and pressing through the hands. Inhale, dropping the belly, letting the stomach get big and fill up with air. And then rounding, letting each vertebrae follow, pressing through the hands, feeling the back stretch. Complete one more cat-cow breath cycle before coming into child's pose. Inhale, letting the back body and the shoulder blades slide across the back, filling with air, and letting the breath get longer with each exhale. We're going to come onto our backs to get into constructive rest pose. Slowly walk yourself back to where you're lying on the ground and let your knees be at a 90-degree angle. Breathe easy here, letting the stomach get full with air. You can place your hands on your stomach so you can feel where the breath is going. Stack your right ankle over top of the left knee. Take your hands and place them around your left thigh for support, bringing it towards your face. Flex both of your feet to keep your knees safe. Take the right hand and place it on the right knee and press it towards the wall, the end of the mat, while you pull your left knee towards your face. Drop the left foot and release the right ankle to the ground. We're going to repeat this on the other side. So left ankle on top of the right knee, bringing the hands behind the right thigh, pulling it forward toward your face. Place the left hand on the left knee and press it, and flexing the feet, feeling a nice stretch in your hips. Releasing your feet to the ground. Take a couple moments here to feel your body, feel any differences you might notice. Take a couple breaths. We're going to raise our right leg towards the sky and flex our feet. Take your hands and inhale and exhale, bringing your foot towards your face, keeping the left leg bent at a 90-degree angle. Release and exhale, bringing the foot towards your face. If you have to bend your right knee, that's fine. Whatever feels more comfortable for you. You can also try releasing the left leg long and seeing how that feels for you. Remembering to breathe, inhale and exhale, pulling that leg towards you. Bring the right leg down to meet the left one and bend the knees. Bring the left leg up towards the ceiling and flex the foot. Bring the hands to the left leg for support and inhale, exhale, bringing it towards your face. Release and exhaling, feeling a deeper stretch. Remember, you can bend your knees if you need to. You extended the bent leg on the other side, then do the same on this side. Remembering to breathe and bringing the foot towards you on every exhale. It's okay to keep a bend in the knee. And release the left leg to the ground, bringing both legs into the constructive rest pose position. Taking a couple of breaths here, getting ready for our Shavasana. Release the legs long, palms to the side, facing the ceiling. Let the feet relax and splay away from each other, letting the heels melt deeper and deeper into the ground below you as each tendon and muscle follow, melting, feeling heavier and heavier, relaxing, following up to your hips, letting the stomach relax completely, expanding with every breath. Letting the chest stay open, and feeling each finger melt one by one. Inhale, letting the belly get big like a balloon. Letting the neck release. And the face feels soft and light. Bend the knees and roll over to your right side and press up using your left hand and come into a seated position. Let's take a couple of breath rounds here and we'll rest the hands on the knees. The chest is open and shoulders are relaxed down the spine. The chin drops towards the chest. And inhale and exhale, letting the belly get large, allowing room for all of your breath or your life force energy. Thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again in the future, and until then, namaste.